In this video, we compare HS360S GPS Drone and HS720 GPS Drone 4K. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The HS360S GPS Drone by Holy Stone is an extremely lightweight and compact model, weighing less than 250 grams, thus eliminating the need for FAA or remote ID registration in the United States. Equipped with a 1/3 print CMOS GalaxyCore sensor and a 4K 85-degree wide-angle camera, the drone can capture stunning 3840 by 2160p photos and 4K videos, offering an exciting new perspective for your creativity. The drone features advanced connection technology that allows you to connect your smartphone to the controller using just one data cable, providing real-time image streaming without the need for Wi-Fi. The HS360S has an impressive control range of up to 10,000 feet, thanks to Holy Stone's advanced intelligent control system, and its modular battery supports 20 minutes of flight time. The drone's precise GPS positioning ensures stable flight and a safe return home function, allowing the drone to find its way back to you when the battery runs low or the connection breaks up. The HS360S drone is user-friendly with the latest Holy Stone intelligent control system, offering beginner mode and optical flow positioning to help novices practice drone control skills. The HS720 GPS Drone 4K by Holy Stone provides a high-quality 4K UHD camera with image stabilization, ensuring crisp and clear images and videos even in motion. This drone is FAA compliant for remote ID, eliminating the need for an extra module and ensuring worry-free flights. Equipped with GPS-assisted intelligent flight, the drone returns automatically when the battery is low or signal is lost, and can follow set paths or circle a point, allowing for focused photography and creation. The drone features an upgraded configuration with 2 intelligent batteries for a total of 52 minutes flight time, brushless motors for quieter flight and lower power consumption, and a foldable design for easy transportation. The HS720 is easy to operate with multi-sensors for stable hovering and optical flow positioning for effective operation in weak GPS signal areas. The considerate controller, with a control range reaching up to 3,000 feet, displays battery level and GPS signal on an LED screen and includes a button for turning the drone light on or off, catering to both right and left-handers. Comparing the HS360S GPS drone and the HS720 GPS Drone 4K, both from Holy Stone, we find that they share several similarities and differences. Both drones are equipped with a 4K camera offering high-quality image and video capture, which is ideal for those interested in aerial photography. The HS360S GPS drone uses a GalaxyCore sensor, while the HS720 GPS Drone 4K has an image stabilization feature, potentially offering smoother video footage. In terms of flight time, the HS720 GPS Drone 4K has a longer duration, with up to 52 minutes from its 2 intelligent batteries, compared to the HS360S GPS drone's 20 minutes. Both drones feature GPS positioning for stable flight and a safe return home function. However, the HS360S GPS drone boasts a remarkable control range of up to 10,000 feet, significantly longer than the HS720 GPS Drone 4K's 3,000 feet. Both drones cater to beginners with user-friendly features, but the HS360S GPS drone incorporates a beginner mode to help novices practice drone control skills. Overall, both drones offer impressive features, with the HS720 GPS Drone 4K excelling in flight time and the HS360S GPS drone standing out for its control range.